Okay, so today we're going to be talking about the Calvin cycle. So to begin, we have 3 RUBP molecules, and then we have 3 carbon dioxide molecules. And the oxygen is going to come off of these and get added to our RUBP molecules by ribisco, which is an enzyme, to create a 6-carbon molecule. And those are going to come over here and go down to be broken up into a series of smaller 3 carbon molecules, 6,3-GP, and those are going to come, and that's carbon fixation, and then those are going to come down for reduction, and in reduction 6-ATP are going to be reduced to 6-ADP, and those phosphates are going to come off and be added to these chains. And then as a result of that, that gives the energy for 6-NADP to be reduced into 6-NADPH. So those are going to lose their hydrogen ions, and those are going to once again be added to our chains. And then once we get down here, one of our 3 carbon links is going to come down, and it's going to be later used to make glucose, and these are called triose phosphates. And so once we have that, our other 5 3-carbon links can come over in order to be regenerated to be used later on to create more links to create glucose. So it goes into regeneration. And in regeneration, we have our 3-ADP that was made over here is going to be oxidized to create 3-ATP to make more energy in order to get these to come back together in order to create the 5 carbon molecules, RUBP. So once again, we're back at the beginning with the same amount of RUBP that we had at the end, but now we have a 3-carbon link here. That's going to go through the whole process one more time to have another 3 come down in order to create a 6-carbon link of glucose. And this process happens twice with 3 carbons or 6 times if you use singular carbons. And then we have cyclic phosphorylation, and that's when too many NADPH are created because they're not needed anymore in this cycle. So it happens at photosystem 1. The electrons see that they don't need to make any more NADPH, so they just cycle back the electrons to photosystem number 2. And that allows the hydrogen ions to diffuse through to create more ATP. So through this, more ATP is created, and NADPH is done being created.